guys, I'm gonna have some friends join me, but we're gonna get to fishing. We're gonna buy a pass and then head on in and continue our day 2. We're the only people on the lake this morning. It's an empty parking lot, pitch black out here. The walleye bite should be good considering we're the only people in the lake. It's about 9 degrees and no wind, so hopefully there's a solid cap on that lake, although I see water rippling. But where it matters the most is frozen. Look at that gorgeous sunrise, guys. Oh man, everywhere I fish in Colorado is just perfect. Fishing is good too this morning. So what we're doing is we're jigging a Swedish pimple with a night crawler on here, kind of aggressively, and then I slow down once I mark fish to see if I can entice a bite. We just got into our first fish of the day. Here we go, we're marking some activity. We got one. We got one. I think it's a trout. Oh no, it's a walleye. Yeah. Alright guys, I think we got ourselves a decent 15-incher, but I don't keep him anyway. So we're gonna let him go again. Marking him again. Oh! Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. You have no idea how badly I want a school of crappie to come through. Just like 100 of them. Oh man, he got a white bass. Oh, good job, Tyler. You gonna keep it or?
Nah. Decent fish, man.
It sure is. Oh man, that's beautiful. Look at that fish, guys. I just had a massive hit. Oh! Guys, we're gonna try it in an inch of ice. I ain't stepping on it or anything because I ain't silly. But we're gonna see how the fishing goes. Maybe we get some better action. I got one dancing with me too. Good work, brother. Oh, we just stopped the guy from... All right, guys, got him. Walleye, nice walleye, guys. Here we go. Coming up to my jig. Look. Like how you can tell on my thing here. Well, see how thick the yellow is?
Yeah.
My jig is just a line.
Okay.
That thick is a fish dancing around it. I just don't know what to do to coax it to eat. So,
jigging, and then I'd stop.
so this is a fish on my jig right now.
Okay.
My jig is that dark orange.
Okay.
Okay, the yellow is a fish. So here, I'll show you what I mean. See where my jig is now?
Oh, yep.
And now on the bottom there, see there's a fish coming up to you. See that?
Yep.
A fish just literally is coming up to my jig. And it's caught.
So stay to the right. That cable.
What do we have? Oh boy, fighting me pretty.
Ooh, it's a fucking nice white bass.
Oh my god, a huge white bass. Holy shit. Get him. Oh yeah, I get it in the camera there.
Fish, man.
That's a good fish. You know, I've never caught a white bass in my... There we go. Angel's got one. He's also stuck. Okay. Oh, trout. That feels much better. What do we have here? Oh, I don't know. It's not a trout. You got something better. I think you got a white... No, you got a walleye.
Nice.
We'll get him then. That's not
First
15
walleye.
inches.
Here, he's swinging around. Oh, can you see his shadow through the trees?
Yeah.
That's a golden eagle.
Holy shit.
Man, let me see you. Yep.
Wow, that's a beauty. Golden eagle, man.
He's so cute. He's scared of the eagle.
All kinds of birds and fish out here, man.
What's that?
The mark is huge. Huge mark. Marking them over there. Oh, we got one. We got one.
While jigging?
Yeah, yep. Oh, it's a walleye.
That might be pretty.
Let me just... There we go. Oh, we got something good. Something that's... Must be a nice trout. Angel, I got something good. I don't know what it is yet.
It's a walleye. It's a big one.
Oh, I got a
Keeper.
big walleye. Oh yeah. I'm gonna release it. I don't want anyone to keep these.
Yeah.
Oh, Tyler. What do we got? We've got trout. New drill. Yeah. Come on, take it. Take it. There we go. There we go.
Papa, no.
Miss him?
Nope, he's playing around with me.
Just a minute. Hey, you're getting ready to leave. This ain't no sitting in it. Just wait. Just wait here. Look at this. You got your lure stuck in.
Well, you have all day.
There we go. Oh, self-release, the best. Here we go. Here we go, Luke. We got one. A walleye. No, a trout. Going back down, I drilled a hole between these docks, and it's it ain't too bad. It's actually full of fish, I think, from what I can tell. Last night, the rest of the lake froze because it was 6 degrees out. Not bad. Making a lot of sound today. Whoop, there we go. There we go. We got one. Here we go. On the woolly bugger.
Oh, go big,
Still placed.
Oh, yeah.
There we go, another small one. What's up, guys? It's about 3 o'clock. I was starving and Dawn brought me Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A on ice.
Cheers.
Cheers. Only thing we're missing is booze. She thought about it, trust me. 12 plus walleye, master angler white bass, some trout. That's it. Probably another 20 minutes until the sun goes down and I'm out. More walleye, huh? I hope you got your 18 inches so you can have a keeper. Damn. Were you marking them in 20?
Look at all that marking I'm doing right there, bro.
Oh, that's a pretty one too. Yeah, he's following. He just can't commit to it. You got one, Chris?
You got a Walter. You got a Walter. You got to be a Walter. That's all I've been catching right here.
Oh, he's got something good. I think that's a keeper.
Walleye.
Woo!
That one looks
Good work, Chris. All right, guys. I'm done fishing for the day. I think we can call it quits. The weather is nice. The ice held up a lot of walleyes today on really just a Swedish pimple spoon dipped with worms. Worked really well. Got a master angler bass, a few trout. All in all, a good day with a bunch of friends. Appreciate everyone that came out. I've met a few people that go to the channel, so cool. Hope you guys enjoy it.